beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. My name is Amrita Das. In today's video, I'll tell you some of the beautiful ways to style a ruffle sari. So without wasting the time, let's get started. Guys, as you see, I'm wearing a sari which is in mauve, that is light pink sort of color. And I love wearing it, I love styling it in different ways. And guys, I don't tell you that these are the best way and the only way to style your saris, but with my own experience I have found out these ways and I thought to share it with you. If you find something uninteresting, this is completely okay for you because everyone's choice is different. But if any of the styling you liked and want to apply it in your ways, so please go ahead and write it down in the comment section if you had applied it to wear a ruffle sari. Guys, if you are new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe to the channel. And now let's move on to the video. Guys, this is the first look I have created. As you can see, I have clipped it on from one side so that the ruffles are quite visible from one side, and I have kept the sari little bit low so that if you are wearing any designer blouse or anything with your sari, it's quite visible with the ruffle sari as well. But anyways, if you are not comfortable to wear the sari a little bit low, you can just, what you can do is you can keep it a little bit upwards and you can wear it like this. Simple. Guys, now to create this second look, I have taken the palla from the back side. You can wear it like a dupatta, or you can just keep it as simple as it looks. Or what you can do is you can just tuck in a bit here and wear it like this. Or just simply you can use it as a dupatta. Also, we can use this type of sequin belt or any rhinestone belt if you have in your wardrobe. You can use it along with this type of ruffle saris. There's a wide variety of ruffle saris you will be finding in shops. It may be a palazzo sari or a skirt cum sari, or a normal traditional sari with ruffles. So in order to style those, you need to find your own creative eyes. Here, if I have to style this sari for a party look, I would pair it with chandbalis or such dangled earrings, along with a matching neck piece if I have. And to bring out a stylish look, I would carry a matching clutch, which is beautiful yet cheap and affordable, you know. Also, I would like to pair it with a comfortable golden heel sandal. For working ladies, if you are a teacher or a doctor, when it comes to choosing the right sari for your workplace, we usually end up wearing a boring traditional sari. Try out a good ready-to-wear palazzo sari or a skirt sari. If anyways you like hand-woven saris, go with the simple pleated ones. Pair it with minimal jewelry or accessories instead of pairing with the heavy ones. This is another styling idea which I have used to style this ruffle sari. As you can see here, I'm using a thin belt around my waist to create the detailing of my waist. As I said in my previous video, if you haven't watched it, please go ahead and watch the previous video where I had shared view of my winter dress collection. If you did not like this kind of styling, then it's completely okay because everyone's choice is different, and even I don't know whether I'm looking good in this or not. What I did is I just wrapped it around like a skirt and kept the palla little thin. As I'm wearing a front knot crop top, it was quite easy for me to create this look, and also at the end I tied it up with a belt. Also guys, if you're not comfortable wearing this long sleeved crop tops, you can also style it with any sleeveless crop tops. It will look amazing and beautiful too. I think it will look more beautiful than these long sleeve ones. And most of my crop tops are long sleeve ones, so I could not find any of the sleeveless ones to show you how it looks. So forgive me. If you have in your wardrobe, please go ahead and check how it looks with your sari. Bye. This is all for today, guys. Hope you liked watching this video and got to know or learn something from it. So guys, let's meet in my next upcoming video. Bye. Have a nice day.